I'm so excited.
Yeah, look who's here, Kiki, kid.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
My brother from Kuwait, right here, kid. I'm
Big
telling
man
you.
batter.
Batter Al, kid. My man.
How you doing, guys?
We're doing good, bro. We wish you was here with us, cause look, we're about to. Zah.
Taste this Delta coffee, bro.
Ah, Zah, man, you should be here with us, kid. Damn. yo, Zeneca. Oh man, dude. This is the only reason why I'm doing YouTube, bro. I don't have time for YouTube crap, man. But for real, this is the best part, man. Right here, man. It's the brothers.
I love it.
Yeah. Oh man. So yeah, good stuff, bro. Wish you was here. So today, we're gonna unbox your engine, and then I'm gonna show a clip. I'm gonna show everybody your beautiful setup you got, gentleman setup. And
thank you. Glad you like.
And dude, you have a nice setup. So if I ever get kicked out of here, me and Oreo are gonna go to Kuwait. I can stay there, and that room is perfect for me.
Your place is already there, bro.
Oh man, I'll be there wrenching 24/7 at your place. Your place is nice.
Oh, you are most welcome. Your place is already there. Just pick the day and just come.
Good stuff, man.
Nice.
Good stuff.
Thanks,
Yeah.
bro. Thanks.
All right, so stay tuned, man. So we're gonna go downstairs, and then we're gonna show everybody your badass, one of a kind Bartolone engine that he did for you. Just to stir the pot over there in Kuwait. You know, just to stir the pot over there in Kuwait and see the Batter Al gonna be.
I have one news for you.
Uh-huh.
My Primal Dragster is the first one in Kuwait.
Wow. Well,
Man, making big moves.
big moves, kid. You have the
Exactly,
first
yeah,
Primal
exactly.
Dragster. The first and only Primal Dragster as of now in Kuwait. Right here, Batter Al. You remember this, man, right here. And a big shout out to the Zoomer team. All right?
Oh yeah. Zeneca fan.
Zeneca fan.
Oh, yeah.
All right, bro. So listen,
All right, bro.
you take care. I'll talk to you soon. Me and Kiki.
Best regard to you and your family, Kiki, everybody, Professor Louis.
Professor
the best,
Lee.
guys.
All right, brother. Thank you, man. I'll
All
see
right.
you. I'll see you soon. I'll talk to you soon. See you. Yo, this is a brat brother right here, man. To the fullest right here.
What are we gonna do now, John?
Oh, dude, I need this, bro. All right, so this video is like two videos in one, really. We're gonna unbox an engine that's gonna be going over to Kuwait, and you guys are aware that I've been doing these videos of showing new people getting Primal Dragsters. It's good news, great stuff, man, good stuff. And you're meeting and seeing the new people, and future-wise, we're gonna see what they've done. You understand? So once you know this person, whatever route they take, everybody has different ways, different things. You know, some guys are most of the guys are gonna do sportsman class, and then we're gonna see how, because even sportsman class, even though we're limited to 34cc engines and under, everybody has different ways, different things of doing things. So. And then you have extreme guys. Like, this used to be extreme until it became half. All right? It's not happy to see you yet, but soon it will be. So I had a beautiful running engine there. Scott Finley 50. It was great. I love that engine. I'm keeping it. It's a keeper. But today, after this video, stay tuned if you want. We're going to unbox my new engine for this. All right? For my Primal Dragster, which is extreme class. But I also want to get involved with the sportsman class because that's going to be the most fun. All right, so this video here, you're going to meet my brat brother from Kuwait, Batter Al, unbox his Primal Dragster. First Primal Dragster in Kuwait. All right, it's going to be unboxed. You're going to see it right here. And he's nice enough to show us around. You guys know I love workshops. I love
Very nice workshop.
He has a wonderful workshop, beautiful, braptastic. He has a braptastic workshop. Tools galore, all organized. Man, I wish he was here so he could help me organize like that. The guy is well organized. And you're also going to see his RC collection. He's got a nice collection of RCs, airplanes, boats, everything. So So stay tuned for that. So right now, let's unbox his Braptastic engine. All right, Kiki. So Kiki already had cut. He already sliced that open. You want to spread that apart? Look, Kiki's gonna do the honors here to bust out this. There we go. What do we got here? Now this box here came from California, Anaheim, California, which I love.
Oh, this is.
Zah!
What? I wish I had this model.
Oh man.
ReedCase.
My man. My man ain't playing around, bro. He got a special Bartolone ReedCase.
34 ReedCase anodized blue.
And he has the lightened Bartolone clutch belt carrier here, bro. This is beauty right here. This piece here is a beauty. What a sexy engine, son. What? Oh my God, look at this. Happy to see you right here.
This blue
Intake.
is really nice.
Blue pops, bro.
Wow.
That blue pops. Now,
Shaved down flywheel.
oh, he did mod that too, huh, for him?
That's real nice.
What a beauty, kid. Can I hold it?
Oh,
I'll hold it
exhaust
after
is-
you hold it.
Exhaust is all ported.
Oh,
and
Zanica
everything.
Fez. We can't show too much because we have copycatter out there.
Sadly.
It's unbelievable, bro. And they're the ones that talk the most shit. It's unbelievable, bro.
It happens. It happens.
Yo, look at this. I'm gonna let's bring it over here. Let's go to the light, a little bit better light here.
I wish I had that.
Zanica Fez. Look at this.
That blue is just
The
insane.
blue pops. Look at that happy to see you artwork right there, son. Look at this ReedCase. Let's go around. Let's go around. Look at this.
Billy transfer port covers.
Look at that, baby. Yeah, she is pretty, bro.
Gotta get all the nice stuff.
Batter Al, bro. Now, this is gonna be the engine to stir the pot over at Kuwait. Because my man Batter Al, he races in sand dunes. They drag race on the sand over there. But they're gonna start drag racing soon on street soon. So stay tuned for that. All right, there's a whole big group of guys over there. A lot of them have engines from other places. All right, from other modifiers, which is great. All right, the more the better. But this is the one that's gonna stir the pot over there. Take things to the next level there. Start breaking records, son. Right here. This is the one. This is the heart. This is the heart right here that's gonna pump. It's gonna be drinking fuel, blood, the Amsoil Dominator blood there, and farting out them drag pipes, kid. Pow, 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 kid. What? Oh, we got a modified carb here. What do you got?
Modified.
You got
probably
990.
Modified pop off 990.
Yeah. Oh, no, he opened that up too. This is a nice carb from Chris Bartolone.
Billet isolator.
We got the isolator there. Here we go.
I brought a little something.
And a spark plug?
This
What
is
you got?
This is gonna get put.
Oh,
on
snap,
that
what?
Primal.
Oh shit!
I hurt some feelings with this sticker on that Primal.
Better out, kid. Kiki, they're giving you a nice little sticker there for you, buddy, to put on your Primal Dragster, kid. KDT Innovations, kid. All right, from Arnold and Kiki. Gonna go with your BR engine when I send this off to you. Good stuff, man. Good stuff.
Shows us a lot of love on Instagram.
Yeah.
Shout us out.
Yeah.
Gotta send some love back.
Better Al, man. He's a good guy, bro. A good guy. Good brat brother. I wish more brat brothers was like him, man.
Man, this blue.
She is sweet. She is sweet.
I want an engine like this. This is
Guess
nice.
who has the brother of this one?
Who has this?
I don't know. Maybe something. I have a brother.
Who
Maybe.
knows?
I don't
This
know.
is fucking beautiful though.
Yeah, good job. Good job, Chris, once again. Good shit. Now, I've had this engine for a while, all right? This was pre-Chris busy. Listen, don't be bothering. I know after you see video here or there or whatever, they want this, they want that, everything gets sold out. Geez, just give you a heads up, man. Don't bother Chris right now, all right? He went through a lot. He went through a lot of stuff, family stuff, so just give him some time, all right? And since we're here filming, stay tuned. Don't worry. Primal RC will get more drag pipes in stock, okay? It's going to probably be another 2 or 3 weeks, though. All right? So just be ready for that. I know a lot of you guys are going crazy over that shit. So just stay tuned. The drag pipe, the happy to see you pipe, will be back at Primal RC. All right, just give them. It's gonna take another 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. So, all right, so stay tuned for that. All right, man. So, all right. So from here on, we're gonna stop filming right now. I'm gonna add this to the wonderful film that Batter Al sent me to throw on here for you guys to meet him. All right. We got a freaking Primal RC Dragster in Kuwait, son. Any questions? First
Primal
man.
Dragster in Kuwait.
Nice stuff, man. So, all right. So you guys take care. See you guys next video. We will be going to unbox my engine here, my new engine here.
Some of you could probably tell what it is. It's from the tape.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, some of you guys. So stay tuned for that if you want. We're gonna be doing that next. So take care.
Hello everyone, I'm the guy from Kuwait, and before I start, I would like to give big shout out to John Butajel, the fastest guy in US, and big shout out to Primal RC, Chris Barthelon, Kiki, the Professor Louis, Gary Foundry RC, and big shout out to everybody, big love from Kuwait. So let's start unboxing my Primal RC. Yep, I got the Quicksilver. Here it is, guys. Oh, I like this gun. It's very, very good. It comes with a pump. You can install it right here. And let's see what inside in here. Oh yeah. Ready? Yep. Lots of goodies, normal tools, charger, and I got these two suckers. Where's the second one, dude? Yep. And I got some stuff. I like this one a lot. And spare gear with pinion. I don't know what size is it. I don't know. Bearings. Oh sweet. Carbon fiber for the wing. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. 1 second guys. حصل شوي ودق عليك. باي. شوي ودق عليك. باي. Sorry guys, and let's see what's in here. Oh, this is the rear wing. Okay, I got front wing, rear wing, and this is for the rear wing, and also I got spare clear front wing. Yep, that's it. And also front tire. Oh, this is what John talked about it, that you have everything inside with the parts, everything inside. All right. Oh sweet, look at these bad boys. I like those. Okay. I got the manual. I got the stickers. Primal RC. Good job, man. Good job for building this masterpiece. Very good job. Ready? Let's go. Pop, 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 pop. So, before that, I would like to inform you guys that I took the black one and I got the clear one. Alright? And that's over here. Oh sweet. It comes with the clutch bell. I don't know what's the gear inside. I don't know yet. Man, look at this. Very, very, very nice. Very, very nice. And now I'm gonna show you my man cave. Let's start. Alright? these. Okay, this is my latest Baja that I built. Excuse the brand on this engine. Okay, I had to open it and change everything inside and made it on pure C12. Of course, it has to be with oil. This is my last season Baja. All right, I got the Mustang, and here's my tools. Oh, it's messy in here. Second plane, and I got this one. Okay, this is gonna be a new project. Later on, we're gonna see this bad boy. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Again, big shout out to John Butagel, Chris Patlon, the Professor Louis, Kiki. I hope I did not forget anyone. Take care, guys. And guys, I would like to show you my pipes. I got this pipe. Yep, I got it. And I got me another one, another side pipe, but I crashed with this one. I got this pipes, I got wheel bars, carbon fiber set, a lot of gears, a lot of carbs, lot of everything.